Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we're solving another conceptual question from the UPSC Indian Statistical Service Examination 2026 Statistics Paper 2. And one of the most beautiful features of ISS Statistics Paper 2 is that it does not merely ask you to compute. It asks whether you truly understand the theory behind the estimation. And the questions of on the MVUE, that is the minimum variance unbiased estimator, efficiency, sufficiency, completeness, and the all the things appear regularly. Okay, so today's question is based on the properties of the MVUE, and if you understand this discussion you will be able to solve many conceptual questions like this. So come to the question first. Question is, if T1 is an MVUE of gamma theta, okay, and T2 is any other unbiased estimator of gamma theta, which efficiency E1, this is less than 1, then which of the following is or are correct? And there are four statements. The question is select the answer using the code given below. And we are given four options. We have to select the correct one. Okay. Now, before solving the statements, let's revise the definition of MVUE. MVUE stands for the minimum variance unbiased estimator. Okay, and it satisfies two conditions. First, it is unbiased, and second, among all unbiased estimators, it has the smallest variance. Okay, so mathematically, ET1, this is equal to gamma theta, and variance of T1, this is less than equal to variance of S for every unbiased estimator S. Okay. So remember, MVUE is not just unbiased, it is the best unbiased estimator because no other unbiased estimator can have a smaller variance. Okay. Now look, the efficiency of an unbiased estimator is what? E equal to variance of MVUE by variance of the estimator. So here E is less than 1. So this immediately tells us variance of T2 is greater than variance of T1. So T2 has larger variance than MVUE. So this is a very important observation. Okay. So whenever the efficiency is less than 1, immediately conclude the estimator is not MVUE. Okay. Now, T is what? T1 plus T2 by 2. And since both the estimators are unbiased, so expectation of T1, this is gamma theta, and T2, this is also gamma theta, and therefore ET, this will be half into E of T1 plus E of T2. This is gamma theta. Okay. So hence T is also unbiased. So statement number 4 is definitely correct. Okay. So any linear combination of the unbiased estimators whose coefficients add up to 1 is again unbiased. Okay. For example, like 0.3 T1 plus 0.7 T2 is also unbiased. Okay. Now examine the statement number 1. Look, can T equal to T1 plus T2 by 2 also be MVUE? Since T2 has a larger variance, mixing it with the MVUE generally increases the variance, and therefore the new estimator cannot have the variance smaller than MVUE. So hence it cannot remain the minimum variance unbiased estimator, right? So statement number 1 is false. Okay, now examine the statement number 3. Statement number 3 says T cannot be MVUE. Since T1 is already in the minimum variance and T2 has strictly larger variance because E is less than 1, their MVUE cannot improve upon the MVUE. Their average cannot improve upon the MVUE, right? So statement number 3 This is definitely correct. Okay. So think of it like this. Suppose one student scores 100 marks, best performance. Okay. And another scores 70 marks. So taking the average, like 100 plus 70 by 2, which is 85. So can the average outperform the best students? Of course not. So similarly, averaging the MVUE with a less efficient estimator cannot produce a better estimator. Okay. Now examine the statement number 2. Statement number 2 claims variance of T is variance of T1 by 4. So there is absolutely no theoretical basis of this. Okay. Actually, variance of T is equal to 1/4 of variance of T1 plus variance of T2 plus 2 into covariance of T1 and T2. And unless the covariance satisfies a very special condition, this expression does not simply to variance T1 by 4, right? So statement number 2 is false. So our correct option will be our option number D. So option number D is the right answer for this question.